Hi everyone, hope you're all having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to make very easy chia pudding. There's a few of you who have requested more recipe videos, on how to make things that have high iron that can help increase your iron levels and help with anemia. So today I'm going to be doing a recipe on how to make a very easy, delicious chocolate chia pudding. Chia seeds are so healthy. They have an amazing nutritional content. They have a ton of iron, a ton of fiber, and even protein, and healthy omega fatty acids, which are really important for your body and your brain. So I'm gonna head over to the kitchen and we're gonna get started. I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious, easy chocolate chia pudding. What you're going to need for this recipe is you're going to need a small container or a glass. I bought this glass at the thrift store. It only cost me $1. I just really like having my pudding out of a really pretty glass. If you prefer to have a small jar, you can use that as well. So you're gonna need some kind of glass container. I have recently just started drinking pea milk, P-E-A, not P-E-E. Pea milk contains a very high protein content and it's an excellent source of calcium. So because I'm pregnant, I want to make sure that I'm getting sufficient protein and calcium intake. And because I don't eat animal products, I have to look and make sure that I'm getting it from other sources. And pea milk is an excellent source of protein and calcium. Next, you're going to need some chia seeds. So I just have the organic black chia seeds, but you can use whichever ones you prefer. I'm also going to use some cocoa powder. Now, this one here, for 1 tablespoon, if you look down at the iron content, it contains 10% of your iron, your daily iron intake. So natural organic cocoa powder is an excellent source of iron. That's why I'm adding it to this recipe, and plus it adds a nice chocolatey taste. If we look at the nutritional content of chia seeds, again, this is for 1 tablespoon. I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons for this recipe. 1 tablespoon contains 50 calories. It contains 4 grams of fiber, 2 grams of protein, and if you look at the iron, 6% of your iron. So if we're multiplying this portion by 3, so it's going to give us 150 calories, 12 grams of fiber, 6 grams of protein, and almost 20% of our daily iron intake. So we have 20% iron in the chia seeds, 10% iron in the cocoa powder, so that brings it to 30% already. And then if you look here at the pea milk, and then if we look here at the nutritional content of the pea milk, for 1 cup, you have 90 calories, 4.5 grams of fat, you have 8 grams of protein, and check this out, 1 cup of pea milk, you get 15% of your daily iron intake. So right away for this chia seed recipe, and this is 1 portion that you can have as a snack in the afternoon or you can have it for breakfast, but already we have 50% of our daily iron intake in this easy chia recipe. So I'm gonna get started. Now, what you can additionally use is you can add a little bit of sweetener or honey. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of organic honey just to sweeten it a little bit, but I'm gonna show you how to make this easy recipe. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add 1 cup of the pea milk into the glass. Next, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds into the glass. So 1, 2, 3. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of the cocoa powder. And I'm just going to add about a teaspoon or so, not too much, but just a little bit of honey to add a bit of sweetness to it. So we're just gonna pop that in. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a mini whisker and I'm going to mix everything together. So this may take a few minutes for the cocoa powder to absorb into the pea milk and for the chia seeds also to blend together. So this is what the chia mix looks like when it's all whisked together. All I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this with a bit of tin foil, or you don't even need to, you can just pop it right in the fridge. I like to let my mixture sit in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours. So we're going to let that sit and I will check in with you guys in a bit. That is how I make my delicious chia seed recipe. Again, I love having this in the afternoon as a snack, or I'll have it in the morning for breakfast. Like I mentioned before, this recipe contains almost 50% of your daily iron intake. Chia seeds are such a powerful food, and because I don't eat animal products, I'm not getting my iron, my protein, or calcium from animal sources. I'm loving getting them from these natural ways. Let me know how your chocolate chia pudding recipe turned out. If you have any other chia seed recipes, please share them in the comments below. I love reading and responding to your comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.